All right, so we're going to make a lock line stand. So we're going to pull these pieces out. And this is a cutting board, but we're going to use this as our mounting base. It's interesting. See how this is kind of wobbly here? So I want to flip it over here so now it's flush onto the table. It's not wobbling kind of back and forth. So the first thing I want to do is I want to pull the piece of the disc that's got the U-glue on it, and I'm just going to stick that right in the middle of my board and push down. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these two pieces together. So this says ball end up. See this funky piece on these lock line pliers? That's where the ball end goes in. So there we go. You can see that there. Now you know where that goes. All right. Then you're going to put the socket end in the other side, and then notice my hands down here to squeeze. You're going to just squeeze it together. There we go. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put this disc on. This is the disc that has the hook material. That's going to lay down. You're going to put this on top. You're going to stand over it with all your body weight, right, so that you can just push straight down. And I use my palm as I'm pushing. There we go. That's in there. Now, in order to put this onto here, I roll it over like this, and I'm going to roll it in this way. And so my right hand is right over here, kind of like a gun, right? There's my right hand. Here's my left hand, right? And watch what I'm doing. I'm just pushing it down like that, right? So I'm not trying to do something like this. I'm not trying to do something like that. My right hand, because I'm right-handed, my left hand is here, and it snaps in really easily. So now we have our base. Now what I can do is I can take this interface. This interface we're going to be using for our spring clip. But like if I was to have a tablet, right, and I wanted to create a tablet mount, I can do that. The other thing I can do is we're going to have our spring clips here for our sandwich holders, and so we'll show that in a little bit. The nice thing about this interface is it's removable. I can get underneath it, remove it, put the piece back on, use this piece over and over again. It's got hook 1000 on one side and either U-glue or Remo 2 on the other.